I'm Matt Hodson, and I work for IMAGINiT Technologies. Our organization is a Platinum Partner with Autodesk, so we resell their software. But the majority of the work we do is helping organizations leverage that to improve their operation, improve their workflow, and create a common data platform to break down the silos around the organization. One of the newer things that we're doing is leveraging simulation technology like FlexSim to digitize the production operations, to create a virtual simulation model of that environment where you can then run multiple different what-if scenarios. So what if you grow 20% next year? What do you need for equipment, people, space, shelving within a warehouse to be able to meet those future requirements? Anyone that's doing their own manufacturing that's growing, they might be looking at investing in new machinery, might be looking at automation and how that fits within their organization. And we help them test that out in a virtual environment so they can understand what is the systematic impact of making those changes. Because a lot of times people want to invest in automation not knowing how it is going to affect downstream operations. So you get to really quantify the impact and the payback that you're going to get. A lot of times the thing that gets in the way is they're just comfortable in the way that they are operating. And I'll give you an example of one of my clients. They're a conveyor company and they sell automated conveyor systems. They design them, they manufacture them, and then they install them on site. So they have all of these different silos across the organization. And every time they need to send someone from another group information, they're sending emails and they're putting things in PDFs. And we allow them to create a digital platform that has a data layer to connect all of their disparate systems. It has a communication platform, so then you can send CAD files or you can send things to clients, to different parts of the organization, and really automate that communication process and tear down the silos between the different groups. We are in a high growth rate right now. That's going to continue, especially with all the nearshoring efforts. There seems to be a lot of concern with automation and robots, but I've seen that create more jobs than it does take away. It's creating more engineering jobs and less manufacturing jobs, which isn't a bad thing, but there's also been a push towards leveraging cobots to support manufacturing as opposed to eliminating full positions. So how do you really integrate, and how do those technologies help the organization? Manufacturing is going to continue to grow. They need to figure out how to do things quicker, easier, and faster. And with the labor shortage that's going on, they need to figure out different ways to manufacture.